is the sound of something approaching. Oh dear, a monkey. Not who he was waiting for. And now there's a wild pig. With all these interruptions, it's just as well he's left plenty of time for rehearsals. And there she is. Now, time for action. One or two preliminary skirmishes. And then, a spectacle that has never been filmed in the wild before. The full display. The lines of eye spots along each of his wing feathers astounded Charles Darwin. Why should they be so detailed that they have a three-dimensional appearance? He could only conclude that it particularly pleases females. But not, apparently, this one. And now the pigs are back. Even the most spectacular displays don't always do the trick.